What is cryptocurrency? That was my question in my mind. So I went online and I tried to figure out what cryptocurrency means. I find out that cryptocurrency is like a currency, but you get paid money for a job or a task that is useful for the network by the blockchain. That's what I understand so far. I just started, so I'm not really sure. And I tried to find a project so I can easily and cheap start to try cryptocurrency. So I saw Bitcoin. I saw there's like a lot of whole warehouses. They're buying all the graphics cards. It's too expensive to start and not worth it, to be honest. After there was Ethereum, I think the same thing. And after I find out about Helium. So I found out that they are using a router that's connected to a network with other routers, miners. I was thinking, okay, let's see the prices. So I went to the official Helium website, I pressed the mine, and after I pressed to the list of all compatible hotspots. They say the miner, it's a not router, I'm sorry, it's a hotspot. So I went to the list. What I did, I was pressing middle click one by one, all of them. I opened all the websites, all the manufacturers, and I was checking one by one. The first one, I was like, what currency is this one? ZAR 11,000. I'm like, no. Second one, where's the hotspot? Where's the price? Product. I was like, motion detector. I don't see the hotspot. I was like, next one. Next one. There's no price at all. Next one. What is this? Next one. 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 And I closed all of them because even like I found some of them with euros, with dollars. They were too expensive. And after when I closed all of them, the last one on the list was the Smart Harvest. Now they added the OG one, but I don't know what this one. But I saw Smart Harvest, and immediately in my eyes I was like, wow, here's the product. I see the product. It's presented, and because personally right now I'm in Canada, I was like, that's perfect. That's perfectly for me. And after doing my own research, I went to Smart Harvest Instruments website and I contacted them, and they gave me a discount code for the miner, so I ordered the miner right away. And after, they gave me a 10% discount for you, my viewers. The code is 10x5. You can use to order your miner and try out with me. And thank you very much, Smart Harvest Instruments, for the code. And here we go. I just ordered the miner, and I'll wait until I receive it. Hello everyone, AndreasX5 here, and in today's video we're unboxing the HL100 from Smart Harvest Instruments. They sent me this router, it's right here. I already prepared our tools for our unboxing, so let's start. Let's see what's inside. First of all, let's take the up. Here we go. First thing first, we have a user manual from Smart Harvest Instruments about the HL100 hotspot miner. Here we go. You can visit their website for more information. And here we go. Here's the miner right here in front of us. I'll check the manual after. Let's see. So let's take like that. So the miner is like that, right here. On the back there's a Ethernet cable, a power power supply. This is the antenna where it goes. This is how it looks like. I think there will be some indicators when we turn on. We will check after. Here we have the model, and I think there should be the number that I will scan after right here. So yeah, from Smart Harvest Instruments. I'll check it after. So here we go, the miner. And we have, I'm not sure about the antenna, but I think it's a 1.6 dB. I'm not sure. I will check and then I'll fix the captions. Looks like that. Here we go. And we have the power supply, power adapter. So this is the cable we need, USB-C and USB-A. And the power adapter, USB-A. Here we go. And that's all. So I'll find a spot to connect it and I'll show you how to set up it. Thank you. Hello everyone. I'm editing right now, 1+ month later. Here are some more information for the miner and the user manual. If you want, you can pause in any moment in this video for more details. After, I'm showing you some pictures of the step-by-step install and setup of the miner. Here the Helium app that I downloaded from the Google Play Store. And after that, I put it on draft place the miner, and on the first picture and the second picture here the current location of the miner. And if you want even more details, you can go to the quick start guide of Smart Harvest Instruments. They have their personal quick start guide that I will put the link in the description. There's introduction, what's inside the box, what's are not included. You can see how the miner looks like, how to connect to the hotspot, and any information you want. Here's the charging and how to connect it to the router, and the onboarding steps. So you go to the onboarding.smartharvest.com. I'll put the link in the description too. So you follow the steps on your phone. You can't use a laptop or computer. And if you want even more information, Smart Harvest Instruments have their own video, and you can ask any questions in the comments and I will try to answer as soon as possible. Thank you very much everyone for watching. Thank you Smart Harvest for sponsoring and giving some information about their miners, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day, and Andres X5 was with you. Thank you.